Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Octopath Traveler 0 game crashing or not launching or not loading, lagging, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. You just have to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. Now after restarting your PS5, try to play the game and check. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5. Now hold down the power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable. Then select rebuild database. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Now here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings and click on users and accounts. Then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Octopath Traveler 0 and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to delete game save file PS5. First open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Octopath Traveler 0. Next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Now after that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, first go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is fixed or not. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then click on system software update and settings. Next choose update system software if any update is available. Finally choose update using internet option. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings and at last choose restore option. Next is to reinstall Octopath Traveler 0. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Octopath Traveler 0 again to check if the error is fixed or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already provided in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game, and the support team will help to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.